Hello?
Can I help you?
Hello? Yes, we have a restraining order for my ex-boyfriend, and he's right here in the front of my mom's
The
house.
address.
17 West 59th Street.
17 West 59th Street. Is this a house? Is this a house or apartment?
It's a house.
Where is he at right now?
He's in front of my house.
In front?
Yes.
Okay, and you have a restraining order against him?
Yes. You know, all he says is bullshit, okay? It's all lies.
One second. Don't talk to him.
Fucking there. Ask Coco. Coco ain't go bullshit.
They said not to talk to him.
All them niggas ain't go bullshit, nigga.
1 second, I'm talking to the officers. Don't hang up. I'm going to have more questions for you, okay?
Okay.
Done.
So I'm supposed to like believe, man, fuck that.
You need for the ambulance.
You guys are assholes, nigga.
Hey, yeah, how was that?
You guys are assholes, nigga. Like, look, brother. I'm just trying to get up.
Easier if you just listen to what we're saying. Stop.
I am. Did I just get up and stand on my feet, por favor? Por favor?
No. You showed that standing on your feet, you're gonna try to run or fight.
What the fuck are you guys talking about? Like, brother. Please, can you just fucking untie me?
What?
Can you just please fucking untie me? Like, you guys are fucking...
No. It doesn't work like that. I don't care how many times you say please or
Man,
anything like that, okay? Chill out.
I'm trying to go back,
Chill
dog.
out.
I'll go back to relax. I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. Like, man... Hey, tripping, dog. What the fuck is this about?
Taser.
Man, hey, look, brother. What is this shit about?
Look, hey, look.
Sir?
The paramedics, we're gonna take you on over to the hospital, okay?
For the hospital for what?
Just to get you checked out.
I'm alright.
You got
I'm
tased.
telling you, if I'm fucking telling you I'm
I
alright,
know, but we gotta take you.
you
just to
fucking
get you-
taste the dog shit out of me, but still I'm
No, I didn't do
alright.
anything. We're just gonna take you to the doctor, okay?
Why you guys make me want to go to the hospital? For what reason? Hold on, I don't need no hospital.
You have to go. We gotta check out your heart and everything. Just sit
I'm
back.
good.
We gotta.
Brother, I'm telling you, I'm good. Stop being weird. Stop being weird. You know, like I'm telling you, I don't need no restraints. Come on,
Give me the other one.
man, I'm telling you, bro. Like I don't need no restraints. Bro, if I needed some fucking emergency help, I'll fucking call you. You feel me? Like I don't need no.
Thanks for calling me.
Alright, well, I'm telling you, I don't need no.
Oh, that's already
You fucking.